So we got a package from Georgia Grown Citrus with a tree inside, so we're gonna open it up. So you can see this kind of wrapping is different from how they do a bunch of other trees. So this is the bottom of it. So we're gonna try to start from here and see what we can do. So taking off the tape, I'm gonna pop open the bottom if I can. All right, there we go. So let's see what this looks like. Look at that, it's a small little tree. This is what you can get from Georgia Grown Citrus. You can see it's definitely a little tree. There's not a big head on it. Let's pull this off. This is a Bloomsweet grapefruit that in Japan it's also known as a Kinkoji. So you can look at that, you can look at the leaves. Looks totally good, totally fine. It's little. See the graft right there? That costs, that's a $40 tree. Yeah. So just to give you all a bit of comparison, this is what the tree looks like. And something I noticed when I pulled it out, it's got a really shallow root system. It's very little. See that? It basically just fell out of this when I was trying to take it out of its bag. And I can see kind of in the pot, like the rest of the stuff in the pot, even in some of this bag, not in this directly, I saw some little pieces of root. I want to give you a comparison of how this tree compares to some other trees I've gotten from different online nurseries. So this is Georgia Grown Citrus. This costs $40. This is from Four Winds Growers, which is pretty big and I think generally more well known. This is a Yuzu, their entry level size with shipping. This cost $37, and just to clarify, that costs $40 with shipping. This is about $37. It's a good tree. It's a Yuzu. It looks overall pretty good. It had some kind of challenges with getting here with how it was packaged, and some of its leaves got a little bungled up. And this is a Satsuma that comes from Bright Leaf that cost about $33. And it, interestingly, shipped for 10 days and came out looking awesome. So really awesome tree. So thinking about some different sizes of trees, what you might be interested in, let's a look at the Bloomsweet grapefruit, Yuzu, and Owari Satsuma. So kind of your call about what you may find to be the best online citrus grower.